Hi guys and welcome. Today is going to be another show and tell because I don't have time. I threw this stuff on. I'm fresh off the terrace from trying to get my color for vacation. We leave in 6 days and I don't have time to try on, but I will show and tell you what I've got so far for the trip and hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's start with some things. I went to 2 stores. I went to Target, I went to Old Navy, I went to a little beach shop, I went to the mall, I went around town. Okay, this is from Target. You guys know how much I love the vest. The vest is back and big this year, and it always was and will be. But this is a more dressy one. This has got like, it's curvature to it, it's curved, it's a little pocket flap, the way the sleeve is, it looks adorable on. It's more dressy. I could wear a white shirt under it with a collar, do different things. It was so reasonable, I grabbed it. $28. Fits me like a glove. I could wear it with pants or the skirt or anything I choose. I'm just gonna put it in the bag in case I wanna wear it. So that's number one, $28 from Target in a dress fabric, 2 pocket flaps, 3 button, beautiful scoop shape, which makes it more dressy. It has the seam here for the breast, all the way from the breast to the pocket. Really nice. Then I went and I needed some black basic pieces. You know, guys, how much I love black. I'm going to show you the bottoms first that I bought and then the tops for them. These are the Billy Straight from Old Navy. They're pull on because I'm struggling. I didn't lose nothing, okay? I did not lose any weight and I'm not going to sweat it. I'm just going to wear whatever I want. These are elastic. There's a pocket in the back, okay? They got their pleats. They're dressy enough. I can dress these up very nicely. See, there's a pocket in the back. These are size small, which fit me nice and slender looking. I don't look like big, and the black always works. Black is best. You guys know how I feel about that. These are great. And these were $39 with like 40% off. So they were like $30-something, and I think they're a staple piece. I'm gonna have these in the closet for years to come, wear them with lots of things, because they're basic black. Now I'll show you the 2 tops that I got to wear with them, if I want to bring them. I don't know that I'll bring them on this trip, but I know I'll get a lot of wear out of them. I don't have a bodysuit. I haven't worn one since honestly, since the 70s or 80s. I have not worn the bodysuit. But it's one way of dressing them up with the elastic if I wanted to go black on black, monotone. This will go very far. I can wear this with skirts, with shorts, with pants, basic black tank bodysuit, okay? With the 2 snaps on the bottom. Nice weight to it, so it's not flimsy looking, it's more dressy. This was $24.99, again, 40% off at Old Navy. They had lots of colors. Great piece. This is a great staple piece. If you want to put something in your closet, that's a keeper forever. Trust me, this little thing has been around since the 70s. Can't miss with that. Then I got super lucky because I saw this on the mannequin. Okay, this is in a white cream, more of a cream. See, it's got a ribbing on it in the fabric. A ribbing, very nice. On the sides it has a pull-up elastic, scringe or scrunchy style, so to speak. I don't know what you call that, but it's fitted, looks beautifully fitted with that. This, again, I could wear with those black pants. I could wear them with anything, jeans, shorts, whatever have you. Now this, I paid like $4.49. I was so excited. There was 2 left and I grabbed it. Okay, $4.49. Why wouldn't I? Look at that. It goes with anything. Anything. Especially now, sleeveless. Okay, so that's 3 pieces so far. Then I got this from the beach shop, and I'll show it to you now because this was $15. I'll show you close because those are rhinestones. Rhinestones are back again. They're big. They're everywhere. They're all over the jeans. You're going to see me doing them. That's something I love. I love painting clothes. I used to have a little business going on back in the 90s and would do this abstract flower and just simple paintings on t-shirts, and then I would do house parties and sell them. I did very well, but then I stopped because it's a lot to carry around. It was a lot of work, and I was only selling my t-shirts for $10 at the time. I guess now, looking back, that was a good deal because I paid $15 for this one. And it'll be great, like if I go to breakfast. That's like a breakfast t-shirt with nice linen shorts. These have pockets. These I had brought them back from New York because I knew of the trip upcoming, and I knew I didn't have any white linen here because I planned on using them this past summer and didn't. I'm gonna soon have to stop playing musical clothes from New York to Florida because I won't have, excuse me, we won't be driving. So it's gonna be difficult, you know? So these are gonna stay here. So these linen shorts will go with that t-shirt, with anything. But this is basically a cash lunch, cash breakfast at the hotel in the morning, something fresh. I like fresh things to wear on vacation, new items. I do. And then again, let me show you my little, in case, these are my breakfast things too. Gotta always have my graphic tees. These are Target. I haven't seen Dr. Pepper in 100 years. It just made me smile when I saw it. So I got that one. And that was like $12. Then this one I like because I cook and burn these like tissue paper. I really do go through these t-shirts like tissue paper. And this one was cute in the black, even just hanging out with your linen pants and flip-flops. That's me, that's who I am. So I got those. And yes, I'm still working with my anniversary money present. No lie there. Okay, now let me show you another thing I got, and I'll show you that with the beach thing next. Okay, I was in need of a nice pajama set. Okay, this is with the matching short with the little bow, tie bow. They're under there. You can see they're on the hanger. But this is what I got at Target. And this whole set, I believe, was for this set. It's by Auden. That's a big line they have. They're $25 for the two pieces. I think it's darling. And I was teasing Vinny. He said, you said you didn't need nothing. You don't need nothing. I said, well, I needed new pajamas. He goes, why? I said, you never know. What if somebody rings the bell and I have to answer the hotel door? I can't go in what I normally sleep in. I look like a homeless sleeper. I have just raggy old pajamas and t-shirt, tank tops. It's hysterical. So I thought these were sweet. I thought $25 was the best price ever for a nice pajama set. Shorts and a top. And if I tell you the fabric is divine, it's like a hug. It's like a hug. So I got those. I'm not going to be able to fit everything and take it. Then at the beach shop, I saw this first. This is a cover-up, okay? Beautiful embroidery, light as a feather. This is lighter than a handkerchief. They had a 50% off sale. I got this top for $15, okay? Look at that. It's eyelid and lace. It's just delicate and beautiful. It's buttoned. And I don't like long cover-ups. I don't like the pull over your head. I kind of grunge. I'll wear a man's button down with sleeves rolled up to cover myself in a bathing suit because I'm a bikini. I'm a two-piece wearer. I will be forever die-hard two-piece. So I got this. And then to go with it, pull up right up from the beach on top of my bathing suit, I got a pair of shorts that are in the same fabric as those pajamas. But they're just plain black. They were by themselves. Again, they're by Auden. And how much was just for the shorts? I think they were $15. Let me see. Dreamy soft fabric for comfy nights. Well, they're going to be comfy days. Okay, these were $15. Okay, and here's the Auden name if you don't know, if you've never been to Target. And these are lovely. So now I get two purposes out of them. I could use them for pullover with that top on the beach when I show you the bikini I bought. Then if I want to just throw the shorts on with a different shirt, I could get away going to lunch, breakfast with them, on the beach with them, whatever. So I like, me, practicality. I have to have practical. Otherwise, what's the point? I'm retired, not rich. Let me just tie the back of the bikini. I'll show you my style. I haven't bought in any new bathing suits because I'm so frustrated with my weight. Even my bikinis, you'll laugh when you see my panties because of the 15 extra pounds I put on. And don't feel like being in anything too revealing. I used to be like the floor string bathing suit. Not anymore, and it has nothing to do with age. I told you, it's not an age thing. It's a weight thing, a weight restriction. If I was skinny, I could wear anything. Once upon a time. All right. Well, you get the gist of it. It's the triangle tie back. This is, let me show you. I don't want to put it over my head, but it's a triangle. It's a beautiful blue water flow pattern. Okay. It's padded. There's simple tie back in the back. Now here's the bottoms. Let me throw that there because we have no props here. Now these are nice. I didn't even try them on because I know my size. I know the medium will fit me now. I'm a large top and a medium bottom. My body's weird. Here it is. Here they go. They have the tie. And usually with the tie on that, I could always pull it a little tighter if it were loose. My lips are guts. It's not getting loose. It's nothing getting loose. But I thought it was nice. Hopefully the weather's nice because Vinny says the hotel has a pool. You know, so we'll do that if we want for a little bit, even if we just go for an hour. But I don't have anything nice enough to go to wear. Now, I needed bras. These are things, some of these things are not for vacation. They're just for, to have, just to share a small haul of shopping with you. These, I love these. I love these little triangle bralettes, you know, because I'm so big busted. I'm so tiny and I can't stand anything confining that I have a hard time searching to find these. And when I say these, what I'm talking about is a lightweight, okay? I like a lightweight. I like the triangle like that, elastic, but this is the most important part. I don't like sports pull-on bras with no back, okay? I need the clip. Because sometimes they're tight, even if they're in my correct size. They're tight and I have to put the little extender. So I need these and I have to have them in this style. Not easy to find, but I got a pack of 2 in Target and they're by Hanes. See, the 2-pack? And it was reasonable. Let me see what this was. Okay, $16.99, and look, there's the fit. That's what I like, you know? Simple and light. No biggie. I stopped wearing underwire bras years ago. I heard or read something terrible that it had to do with breast cancer or something negative, and I said, that's it. I never wore a wire bra to lift up ever again after that. I have a sport bra on even now with the soft like this, soft elastic bottom. Now don't laugh because you're my friends and you gotta be nice now because I'm gonna show you my bloomers. They're so cotton and old lady to me. I'm not even gonna call them panties, but comfort first. And when I'm skinnier, I could go back to Victoria's Secrets. I walked by quietly. I can't go there yet because when I was in my Victoria's Secret panties, I am a tiny size 5. I was a size 5 bikini there. I'll get back. I will. I'll get back there. You guys know it. Okay, now which one I'm showing you first? I bought 2 heights and types. Okay, because I want to have them both. I think these are the high. Okay, I bought 6 in the bikini pack because these are reasonable. These were like only $10, $10.99 I think for a pack of 6. Again, I walk every day. I want to be comfortable. I'm not trying to be sexy in the evening with my honey. I don't need to wear lace and low bikinis. I own them. I have them. We wear them. But for everyday use, I think these are a deal. I really do. $10 for a pack of 6. There's the fit. Okay, this is the bikini. They call this one? Yeah, this is the bikini shape. Doesn't look like much. This is a size. I'm a 6 in these. Okay, this is the bikini 6. And it's a nice cotton. Okay, I need this. I like these. Then, because I needed a whole bunch. Then I also bought the hipster. I like the hipster fit better. So I get both. Depends on my mood, where I'm going. If I'm walking, I would walk with those so my shorts don't slip around. It makes a difference. These are the hipster. See, they go right, they line up with your hip. And here's what they look like in person. Okay, and these are nice. These are comfy and they're all cotton. They're all cotton, which I love. I don't like polyester or any of those other panties and stuff like that. I'm a cotton girl. I'm a cotton girl. And I think that is everything for now. This sweater I'm wearing is 15 years old. This pants, I swear I'm going online to look to find them. Again, I've had them for years. I love them. I wore them out to happy hour the other night. Actually stained them. I have to figure out a good linen stain remover. The jewelry, if you don't know, I make all my own beaded jewelry. Everything I'm wearing, I made. Those beads are from Hawaii. I deconstructed a bracelet and made that and the necklace to match. So if I had more time, I would have made some bigger things, chunkier stuff to go, because I like that island look on vacation, but I don't. So I'm gonna go pack, guys. I don't think I'm gonna get any more videos up. I hope by the time you're watching this, I'm sitting behind a glass of wine somewhere in Peru. Until then, thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with my crazy, weird, my own way of doing my hauls and fashion try-ons and show and tell. That's what I'm gonna call this, my show and tell shopping. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and like if you can.